Good morning to my second grade class. Hi guys. All right. Today is April 21st, 2020, 4/21/20. Did you guys know that 21 is my favorite lucky number? It's been my favorite lucky number ever since I was in probably middle school. So 21, today is April 21. All right. So you guys picked a prompt yesterday. You're gonna do the same thing today. And you need to remember that you need to use I hope you used your PDF, your interactive PDF, and I hope that you guys enjoyed that. So make sure you're referring to that again today. So first, next, then, and last. That should give you 4 sentences, okay? So for each journal entry, you're going to be following that format. These were kind of some cool prompts. What if it rained gumdrops and lollipops? That one's pretty cool. I love rainy days so much because yesterday was kind of a rainy morning. So you've got to pick one of these prompts. Write about the ways you can help the earth. So tomorrow is Earth Day, which is why we're kind of focusing on the earth this week, and we have some stories over in the reading and the science section that you guys can click on and listen to a story. So there'll be a new story on there today, so make sure you check that out. All right, remember early bird is optional, so you guys make sure you do your other work first, and then if you want to go back to your early bird, you can, okay? But set that aside for right now. All right, you are going to, if you're in my math class, you're going to be counting coins. We're continuing our practice with counting coins, and remember the rule for when you're counting coins, you're going to start with the coin with the highest value, and then you're going to add on from the highest value to the lowest value. All right, so make sure you look at those coins and start with your highest value and add on. If you need to write it out, it's fine. Get a scrap piece of paper. All right, we are moving into, so we've done repeated addition. You guys did that yesterday. That went pretty well. All right, so we are going to move in today to just some problem solving with repeated addition. So I wanted to go ahead and model for you the first question. Make sure I've got my pen. All right, so I'm going to read it to you. Use repeated addition to solve each problem. All right, so number 8 is what you're going to start with today on page 130. So I'm going to read the question to you. Mike has 5 pairs of socks. Each pair has 2 socks. How many socks does Mike have? So remember, we're underlining what we know and we're circling what we need to solve. So we know that Mike has 5 pairs of socks. So that would be considered the group. So how many groups of socks does he have? Mike has 5 pairs of socks. So those are the groups. So you know that there are 5 groups, okay? But how many are in each group? Each pair has 2 socks. So how many are in each group? That would be 2. Okay? So you're going to draw this out. So I'm going to draw 5 groups with 2 socks each. So this is my first group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this is my first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've got 5 groups of 2. How many socks does Mike have? All right, guys, you know how to skip count. because we've learned that. We did that unit. So let's do it together. 2, that would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So are we ready to skip count? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So your answer is how many altogether? 10 socks. So make sure that you are writing out your problem and showing your work. Okay? All right, I think you guys are gonna do well with that. All right, so you're gonna do your problem solving sheet today, page 130. All right, we're moving on. ABC order. You guys are really good at this. All of your words are right here on your paper. So put all of your spelling words in ABC order. All right, you guys have done this so many times. So you're gonna be able to knock that out. All right, moving on, that was your spelling. Moving on to your word work. We've done compound words. We did some compound words work recently, and we're gonna continue on with that because we need to practice. So, you're gonna be looking for this page called Splish Splash, and it's got a little duck that has a little scuba gear, okay? So, if you'll notice, there's a column here, and there's a column here. Now look down below. There's words here, and there's a group of words here. You're gonna start with your first word, and you're gonna use this word and put it up here, and then you're gonna find the word that makes an actual word to make a compound word from this group over here. So let's do the first word together. All right, I'm reading. The first word that I'm reading is wheel. So I found that word in this column over here that says beginning words. Then I'm gonna look over here in the ending words column, and I'm gonna find a word that makes a compound word. So wheel fast, no, that's not one. Wheel fish, that doesn't make any sense. Wheel bell, wheel time, wheel stick, wheel pole, wheel noon, wheel ship, wheel flake, wheel chair. Oh, there's a word, wheelchair. So you're gonna write wheel chair, all right? And you will make a new word, wheelchair. So go through and make, you're gonna write it up here on this line. Sorry, you know what? I think that I just told you the wrong directions. Write your words here on this one line because they're separated down here. So you're gonna write your compound word on this line. All right, so let's see how many words you're gonna make. You're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that makes sense. So you're gonna make 12 words. So pull a beginning word from here, an ending word from here, and you're gonna write your compound word up here. You should have 12 words by the time you finish. I was looking at this backwards and I misunderstood. All right, does that make sense? All right, guys. So moving on to reading and social studies. We are going to be learning about South America. So make sure you read this passage, read it again, and highlight or underline or however you want to mark interesting facts as you read this that you're learning, all right? And then you're gonna move over to your social studies booklet and you're gonna find your continents wheel and you're gonna look for South America and you're going to color your continent the matching color from this color wheel. Remember to read your passage down here. Underline anything that's interesting that you find as you're reading. Cut this little passage out and you're going to stick it on the back right here of your page. All right? Remember to keep these because we're putting them together to make a booklet. And then you are going to cut and paste, create a fun fact about South America, and then you're going to write it in your best handwriting. Okay, so on your interactive PDF, there's a handwriting section. So you need to, if you didn't do it yesterday, you need to go ahead today and print out that sheet. Have an adult print out that sheet for you. You just click on the link and it takes you to the sheet and you're going to print that out and you're going to practice letter A, capital letter A, capital or lowercase letter A for cursive. Okay? Because we've learned all of our strokes. We worked on that at school. And we learned many of the beginner strokes and how they connect. So now it's time for you to be practicing your letters. So Monday and Tuesday, you practice one letter, and that is the letter A. And then there'll be a new letter on Thursday and Friday. And what do you guys think that letter is going to be? If A was Monday and Tuesday, what do you think the letter is going to be for Thursday and Friday? So make a guess and then see if you're right on Thursday. You'll get to click it, look in the handwriting section on the PDF and see if you guessed the right letter. All right? I think that's it. I think that's it, you guys. Remember, today is sign up if you want to share a toy or a talent for our community Zoom meeting today at 1:30. So go ahead and sign up if you're interested in doing that. If there's not any spaces left for that, then you can just do it next week. Okay? There should be enough spaces for everybody to have at least one turn. All right? And then there'll be another sign up for Friday, and that is to share a pet. Okay? So if you haven't done that, you can sign up for Friday for that. All right, I think that is it. Oh, some of you, okay, I sent an email to your parents to sign you up to the Classroom Epic Books. So make sure that your mom or dad opens up that email that I sent. You click on that email and it's going to take you to our class sign up, and they're just going to click that button and then put in a password, and then you will be able to get into Epic Books. And I've put in lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of ebooks that you guys can get on and read some fun stuff that you're going to really enjoy. Okay? So ask your mom and dad about Epic Books and ask them if they went into the email and clicked the link and signed you up so you can start reading some really cool books. All right? Okay, I think that's it. You guys have an awesome day, a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you guys at our community Zoom later. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.